YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Talk with Winnie. Welcome everyone. I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone, for your show of love. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, and thanks for commenting on my video. To my previous subscribers, thanks a lot, and to my new subscribers, thank you and welcome to the family. So for this video, I'll be teaching you all how to source for suppliers number. After taking into consideration the type of business you want to start up, the next thing that comes in place is getting suppliers. Who will be your supplier? Which vendor will be the one to give you goods at a very cheap rate? Now, to get good suppliers that gives out good goods at a very cheap rate can be very very ethic. Trust me, take it from someone that has been doing business for the past 1 year. It's not easy. There are times that you have to pay to get this suppliers number, because where you buy your goods matters a lot. Now it matters a lot because of the price. People's price differs, people's price varies. So imagine you getting your goods in a place where the wholesale price or the drop shipping price is very very high, is on the high side. So how then are you going to sell it to your customers? You see, it's not really going to go well, and at times you may even run at a loss because you are trying to make sales. So it's kind of difficult, to get good suppliers that will send you good and quality goods at a very cheaper rate. But I'm here to give you all tricks and method on how to get these suppliers numbers. The first way to source for suppliers numbers is through referrals. Now you can ask other business owners that are in line with your business for recommendations. Yes, you can ask them to give you their supplier number. See, this thing is very very tricky, and at times it does not come very free. Most of the time you pay money, sometimes you pay heavily, sometimes you pay a reasonable amount, to get this suppliers number. So just know how you go about it, so you can meet them, people that are in line with your business. It could be your friends, it could be a family member, or they could be an acquaintance, anybody that you know that they are in line with your business. You can talk to them, meet them, ask them for recommendations. In fact, you can even walk up to them and ask, oh, do you sell in no sale? Do you sell in retail? Do you do drop shipping? Stuff like that. From that conversation, you'll be able to get their supplier number, if you are lucky. And at times they might tell you that, oh girl, you have to pay, and that is it. And you cannot really necessarily blame them, because they themselves, when they started up, they had to also pay to get this suppliers number. Note that to get suppliers number, it is not easy, especially those ones that see that their prices are very very cheap and the quality of their goods is top notch. It is not easy to get their number. So the first way is through referrals. Talk to people in your line of business, see if they can help you, cajole them, sweet talk them. Don't just go there and be like, please give me your supplier number. No, they will not do that though. So when you are talking to them, use your senses in talking to them. Tell them to recommend, oh, where can I buy from? Oh, I just started this business, I'm looking for a cheap vendor, cheap supplier, that can give me good goods at an affordable rate. And trust me, depend on how you place the conversation, it depends on how the conversation goes, then they can release their suppliers number for you for free, or you have to pay, or they can make recommendations and also refer you to other people. Number two way of sourcing for supplier number is through networking. Yes, join business groups that are in line with your niche on all social media platforms. You can see them on WhatsApp, you can see them on Facebook, you can see them on Telegram, on Instagram. join this business group. In fact, they could share a there could be a supplier on that group chat, that sells at a very cheap rate, or members of the group could be generous enough to share their suppliers number with other members of the group. So your networking has to be very, very wide if you are looking for a good supplier. Now, I'm not talking about abroad suppliers, I'm talking about suppliers within Nigeria, in your locality. In fact, as a new business person, you are starting business for the first time, it is not advisable for you to begin to order goods from abroad. You just choke and you just choke. So instead, order goods from within your locality, but make sure that where you are ordering from is a place that will give you good quality goods at a very, very affordable rate. So network, yes, on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, in fact on Twitter. Join those group in line. You are selling wig, join groups that has people that that sells wig in them. You are selling shoes and bag. Join groups that have same people that are in line in your business one way or the other. Definitely, trust me, you will meet someone that is even a supplier to some people in that group, and the group member could also give out free supplier numbers. Third way to source for supplier number is to go into the local markets within your locality. Yes, see, in fact this one sef is the best. Yes, like markets, places that have big markets like Lagos, Ibadan, the eastern part, Onitsha and the likes like that. In fact, you have big and larger advantage, because if you go into those big markets, you go inside, you will definitely see suppliers, you definitely see vendors that sell goods at wholesale price and at drop shipping price too. So don't just sit down in your comfort zone expecting supplier number to fall on your lap if you don't have money. Yes, if you don't have money to pay for supplier number, because there are people that sell supplier number, but you have to pay. Nothing really comes free in this line of business, in this business world. Nothing really comes free. So if you don't have money to pay, you don't have time to network, to join social media groups that are in business groups that are in line with your business, with your niche, then stand up, go to the local market within your area, within your environment, within your locality, and look for suppliers, look for vendors that sell in wholesale. In fact, there are vendors that sell that they sell strictly wholesale, nothing more. Wholesale, that's what they sell. So when you get those kind of vendors, you see that their goods will be way cheaper. That way you'll be able to connect with them, get their number, and if possible you'll be added to their telegram groups. Yes, most wholesalers these days, they have telegram channels, they have website whereby you can go there and order for your goods. It's as easy as that. So through your local market you can get supplier number. Another way to get suppliers number is on social media. In fact, see, this is what I use the most: social media. Go to Facebook. Those times that you used to watch comedy movies on social media, use them to source for supplier contact. Go to social media, type wholesalers on bag, wholesalers on wares. You will see they will bring out lots of people that sells bags in wholesale, that sells shoes in wholesale, that sells wares in wholesale, that sells household item in wholesale. So just keep on scrolling and keep on searching until you find the one that best fits you and whose price is way more affordable. So you can go to social media platform like Facebook, Instagram. You see this Instagram, there's a lot of money on Instagram. Just take out time, search Instagram, wholesalers in household items, wholesalers in thrifted wears. These are things that people will not tell you for free, that I'm telling you now for free. Search on it and then you will see even people that sells in base, a lot of things. So you'll be able to, like, look for the one that best suits you. Social media is the best platform. In fact, it is the best means, it is the best way you can source for suppliers contact. Yes, and that is it. Social media, especially that Instagram. go to Instagram. If you don't do Instagram like that, then you can make use of Facebook. So type and search for wholesaler, so you can get wholesalers contact. In fact, at times those contacts that you pay for, those wholesalers, those suppliers contact that you pay for, that you pay 5,000 naira for, that you pay 2K for, that you pay 10K for, even to the extent of paying 50K for, if to the extent of paying 50K for, if you can create time and go to Instagram and take out time and search deeply, you will get to suppliers number. Yes, yes, have done it. That's why I'm very bold to say it. You will get to suppliers number. There are many people that have paid money to get suppliers contact from, and voila, these are contact that I myself have come across and even bought goods from. So you see, you see everything is just like working. Everybody wants to make money. That's why I can't really blame them. But if you know you don't want to spend money, don't want to waste unnecessary money, then take our time, go to social media platform and search for suppliers number that sells what you are selling. And lastly on my list is trade fairs. Yes, attend trade fairs. See, when you go to trade fairs, you see different vendors that sell different things. Majority of them they sell in wholesale. Go there, connect. See, as a business person, you don't have to be shy. You need to carry your business on your head. Those people, the way they, those people that hawk things, the way they carry it on their head. That's how you need to carry your business on your head. Carry it as if in fact your life depends on it. It is not even as if your life depend on it, because if your business, you are not making ends to it in your business, then you will not have money. You will not have money to have the baby life that you want to have. You will not have money to enjoy the things that life has to offer. So carry your business on your head. Don't be shy. Don't be shy to ask. Don't be shy to connect. Go to trade fairs. Go, ma, you said wow, your goods are nice. Ma, do you say in OC? Yes, I'm a new vendor. I'm looking for suppliers that can, that I can buy from. Make connections. Connect with people. They say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Yes, don't close your mouth. As a business person, you should learn how to connect with the right people, meet people, talk with them, have meaningful and insightful conversation with them, and you'll be amazed by the knowledge you will receive from such conversation. So going to trade fairs within your locality too will also help you get suppliers numbers. And if you want to, but probably you have time, you have money, you can also go to trade fairs outside your locality, outside where you stay. For example, you stay in Lagos State, you can go to trade fairs held at Benin, at Ibadan, at Abuja. Yes, you get suppliers number. Just connect. Business is all about connectivity. Connect with people. Who do you know? It is networking. So these are the ways in which you can get suppliers contacts for your business. And trust me, these ways have been tested, and they are a very trusted method. So if you are looking out to starting a business and you need suppliers contact, you can try these methods that I have mentioned to you. That'll be all for this video. Please do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to just do the needful. You know what to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for liking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Till then, stay safe. Bye.